Hi, I'm Rachel. These Slipstick Castor cups are designed specifically for carpeted floors and come in a rectangular and round shape, each in a pack of 4. The rectangular cup is designed for roller wheels and suits the large bed roller perfectly. The round cup is designed for the antique style smaller wheel. Easy to install, simply lift the furniture and place underneath. The round cup with its concave design cradles the small wheel and will even hold a heavy piano with a weight rating of 1,320 pounds or 600 kilograms per set of 4. The rectangular cup holds rollers easily, and the carpet cup spikes will protrude through the carpet and take the weight of the furniture on the underlayment, reducing carpet dents. This cup will hold up to 2,200 pounds or 1,000 kilos per set of 4. All Slipstick Castor cups are backed by our 5-year warranty.